Hello and welcome to another video for SAT Maths. Today we are again doing polynomial expressions. These are difficult questions, hard questions, and let's see what they have here. Question number one says, consider the polynomials px equals to this and qx equals to that. What is the sum of the coefficients of the polynomial resulting from adding px and qx and then subtracting the polynomial 2 times this? So it's a long question. Let's try to do that. Plus x plus 3. Adding, what is the sum of the coefficients resulting from adding this? So let's add first. So I get 3x cubed minus 2x squared minus 2x plus 2. And then subtracting the polynomial 2 times px minus qx. So px minus qx, let's write that first. Minus x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. So I get 2x cubed net minus 4x squared minus 2x squared gives me minus 6x squared, so minus 12x squared, and then plus x plus 4x, so plus 8x and plus 2. Now I am to subtract all of this from this. Okay, so I get 3x cubed minus 2x cubed, that gives me x cubed, minus 2x squared plus 12x squared, that gives me 14x squared, minus 2x minus 8x gives me minus 10x, and plus 2 minus 2 gives me 0. So 1 plus 14 minus 10. 15 minus 10 gives me 5. Okay, we'll have to check our answers because I'm not getting a negative 5. Okay, so first was addition, so I get 3x cubed minus 4x minus 2x squared, so I get minus 2x squared plus x and minus 3x gives me minus 2x plus 3 and minus 1 gives me plus 2. Okay, then px minus qx, so 2x cubed minus x cubed gives me x cubed, and then it gets multiplied with 2. So I get 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 2x squared minus 6x squared minus 12x squared. That's fine. Plus x and plus 3x because I'm subtracting. Gives me 4x and net gives me 8x. Plus 3. Okay, that's where the mistake is. Plus 3 and plus 1 gives me 4. So that gives me minus 2 minus 8. Give me 8. Okay, plus 2 minus 8 should give me x cubed plus 14x squared minus 10x minus 6. So 1 plus 14 minus 16. Is that it? Okay, I'm not again getting the right number. 3 plus 1 is 4. That gives me 8 plus 4. Let's see the hints. I've made some mistake that I'm unable to find out. Okay, is our expression correct? Yes, our expression is correct so far. Okay, so 2x cubed minus 12x squared plus 8x plus 4. Okay, this wouldn't be minus 2 plus 12, so plus 10. I think that's where the mistake is. It's 11 minus 16, that's minus 5. I think that should be the correct answer then, yes. Next hard question. So that was really a hard question because there were too many numbers involved, px minus qx, so that gives me 2x cubed, and 5 minus 3 gives me 2x cubed, minus 2 plus 5 gives me 3. So I should have plus 3x squared. Okay, so 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3 minus 2 gives me 1x. Okay, plus 1 plus 5, 4. So all of them are positives. Yeah. Okay. Adding now, adding is simple. So x power 4 plus 3x squared minus 3x plus x is minus 2x. That should be the correct answer. Okay, question number 4. Subtraction. So x power 4 minus 2x cubed minus x cubed plus x squared plus x squared plus 3x plus 2x. I'm also subtracting simultaneously, okay? So don't get confused. So x power 4 minus 3x cubed. Oh, there's an x power 4 there as well. So the x power 4 cancels out with the x power 4. So let's just do this. Minus 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 5x minus 2. Question number 5. Though again, challenging question there. Okay, 3x cubed minus x squared plus 4x minus 2 and this rx, then find the value of rx into qx. Minus x squared into px. So first multiplying everything with x squared, so I get 2x power 5 plus x power 4 minus 3x cubed plus x squared minus 2x cubed minus x squared plus 3x minus 1. Okay, then minus 3x power 5 plus x power 4. Okay, I think that is it for subtraction. 2x power 5 minus 3x power 5 gives me a minus x power 5 to start with, and then it should give me plus 2x power 4, and it's either A or C. It's minus 3 minus 2 minus 4 gives me minus 9. That should be the correct answer. I don't need to add everything else. Let's do some more hard questions on this. Okay. Subtracting qx from px. So 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 minus x cubed plus 2x squared minus 2x plus 3. So I get 5x squared minus 7x. There's an x cubed here plus 5. So minus 1 plus 5 minus 7 plus 5. So 10 minus 8, that gives me 2. Sum of the coefficients, that should be the correct answer. Okay, 4 times 4x power 4 minus 4x power 4 minus 2x cubed minus 12x cubed plus x squared minus 4x squared plus x minus 4x plus 1 minus 4. So minus 14x cubed. That's either C or D, B or D. Minus, should that be minus 3x squared or something else? It should be 5. So I've probably made a mistake somewhere. Okay, so that should be 4. So plus 5x squared. That should be the correct answer then. You see, doing it term by term sort of helps me. so that I don't get one wrong answer at the end. I just figure it out in the middle of this question as well. X power 4 plus 3x cubed minus 2x squared minus x plus 2x power 4 plus 2x cubed. Do I have an answer option? Yes, I have three answer options right now. Then I have minus x squared, so I have either B or C minus 2x. Okay. If Px and Qx are this, find the value of Px minus Qx. So 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus x squared plus x plus 2x plus 1 minus 3. Okay, that should be the correct answer. I think that should be the last question. It says find the sum of coefficients of the polynomial resulting from the sum of the polynomials Px and Qx. So it's just a sum, 5x cubed plus 2x squared plus x minus 3. So 5 plus 2 plus 1 minus 3. So 5. Okay, that is the end of this session. There were some tough questions right at the start, so make sure that you understand this well. I will be back with another set of videos in the next session. Thank you for watching.